Good morning, everyone. Happy Wednesday. Happy hump day. So today is actually the third day of school that we've been in school for 3 days. One, two, three. Is I'm happy to see you all. We call it hump day because it's the middle of the week. So usually we kind of sluggish a little bit, some of us. So today we're going to do our reading comprehension. Monday we read The Cow. Tuesday we did The Owl, and today is Wednesday. We're going to do Bugs in the Jar. So naturally, we're going to take and put our name at the top of our paper so Miss Alexis will know who work it is. When you turn it in to me, parents don't forget to take a picture of it and upload it to my email, calexis@bethunegc.org. And I'll also put that on our class Google Classroom, so you could, I'll try to put it on everything in case you forget it. So we're going to read our story. Bugs in the Jar. And remember, put your finger on each word or under each word so you can read it as you go. I see a jar. The jar has a lid. The bugs are in the jar. I see 3 bugs in the jar. Here is the jar. That's the jar. Here is the lid. Look at the bugs. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. And remember, when we start counting, we always start with the title. Always start with the title. Bugs in the jar. We're going to read it again. I see a jar. Period. Stop. Pause. The jar has a lid. Period. Stop. Pause. The bugs are in the jar. I see 3 bugs in the jar. How many bugs are in the jar? 3. 1, 2, 3. And remember, reading comprehension. So now we've read this little story, little quick 4 lines that we read about bugs in the jar. So now we have to answer the questions to see if we understood what it is that we read. Because we want to always be able to comprehend, to try to understand what it is that we're reading. I see a what? A, mug. B, jar. C, mat. So what are we going to put? I see a what? I'm going to use red today. I think I used red yesterday too. So the story told us, I see a jar. B. So we're going to circle B. Because where is that at? I see a what? And I underlined it. Jar. Number 2. The blank are in the jar. So A, bugs. B, frogs. C, flies. Well, the titles are kind of like a dead giveaway. Bugs are in the jar. So what? The blank are in the jar. What's in the jar? The what? The bugs. Right. The bugs are in the jar. So then we're going to circle A, bugs. There we go, bugs. So then I see 3 bugs in the jar. So the last one says, I see blank bugs in the jar. Is it A, 2, or is it B, 3? This one only gave us 2 options. So I see how many bugs? 1, 2, 3. I see 3 bugs, and I underlined it. And all that is my context clues. That just shows me where I got my answers from. So we read the story about the 4 lines, about the bugs in a jar. I see a jar. I see a jar with a lid. It even goes on to tell us that it had a lid on it, so that way the bugs don't get out. The bugs are in the jar. I see 3 bugs in the jar. And look at our questions. I see a jar. The bugs are in the jar. I see 3 bugs in the jar. Great job. So that is our comprehension story today. And don't forget, you can color your stars up top, whatever color you desire. So you can use blue, brown, green, red, whatever color, whatever your favorite color is. You can color your stars. And like I said, don't forget to put your name. Parents, take a picture, upload it to my email address, calexis, ALEXIS, @bethunegc.org. And you all have an awesome day.